All right, here's another question. Trigonometric function. We are solving for theta. This time, we want to solve all the values for theta that are between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. There's a restriction involved. So let's go ahead and do this. And we do have to make sure that whenever we are solving trigonometric equations, all the trigonometric ratios, they have to look alike. So we have a sine theta here, we have a cosecant theta here. So we need to change these two either to sine theta, all of it, or to cosecant theta. Now it's easier to go to the sine theta than cosecant theta, so let's change everything to sine theta and see what happens. All right, so step one, we are going to change everything. So we have 2 sine theta equal to 3 plus 2 on top. Remember, cosecant theta is 1 over sine theta, right? So cosecant theta equal to 1 over sine theta. So when you have a 2 on top, you just multiply that, and that's what you will get. We're going to multiply everything, both sides of the equation, by sine theta, the lowest common denominator of all terms, okay? Left-hand side and right-hand side of this equation. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply through. That's what you will get. We're going to bring everything to one side. Set that equal to 0. Now we're going to have, this is a quadratic equation. Now, 2 ways to do this. You can use quadratic formula, or you can use factoring. And I think we're going to do factoring. Factoring is just easier because it's a simple quadratic. And you notice that when you factor this easily, you can figure out that the two factors will be plus 1 here, minus 2 there, because 1 times minus 2, 1 times minus 2 will give you minus 2. And then when you expand it, we have 1 sine theta here. You have minus 4 sine theta there. When you do the addition, you end up getting minus 3 sine theta. You set that equal to 0, and then we have 0 product rule. Here we have, for this first bracket, this is sine theta, by the way, sine theta plus 1, set that equal to 0. So sine theta is equal to -1/2. All right. Next one, or we have sine theta equals to 2. Well, sine value cannot be larger than 1. So this doesn't have any solution at all. Okay, so now we have only one set of solutions we have to deal with. So let's go ahead. So this is theta now. Now, if you pay attention to this negative value, this is actually -pi/6. Okay, and when you punch in your calculator, that's what you will end up getting. But you have to realize that the positive coterminal angle to -pi/6, so but the positive, so the positive coterminal angle is, is 11 pi/6. Okay, and when you do the cast, okay, here's the cast. We have, this is the angle that we just got, is -pi/6, is in the fourth quadrant. So the first angle is this one, that is 11 pi/6. But then remember, right, so the value of -1/2 for sine theta can show up. One is with 11 pi/6, the other one is in third quadrant with the same reference angle right here of pi/6. Okay, you just remove the sign of that, and therefore this new one from the positive x-axis, that angle is 11 pi/6. So now we have two angles. One is 11 pi/6, so theta 1, this is theta 1, 11 pi/6, and theta 2 is 7 pi over 6. Those are the two angles that they satisfy the values of theta between 0 radians to 2 pi radians. All right, this is another question. This one is more challenging. Make sure you follow the steps. I hope this was useful. Please come back this week. Every day I post more questions like this for all the grades. All right, have a good one.